Welcome everyone to the Supreme Court of Canada. On the docket, the person's case, remember, this court is not here to make new law, we are only here to interpret and apply the law as it currently exists.
The question raised by the petitioners concerns Section 24 of the Constitution, Act 1867, which says the Prime Minister shall from time to time appoint qualified persons to the Senate, and the appointee shall sit as senator. The question today asks, does the word person include women persons? We'll hear first submissions from the Government of Canada, represented today by a Mr. Erdely Jackson. Thank you, Mr. Chief Justice. Let's start with the law contextually. It's clear to me that a woman's appointment is an impossibility directly before Section 24 and Section 23, where the term qualified persons only applies to he who is over 30, he who owns property, he who is a Canadian citizen properly. He are senators' qualities to decide oppositely would be a legal mockery. In addition, if women were supposed to transcend their societal position, the power to give this privilege, give permission, lies with the good men in the legislature, the politicians. They could pass a new law or amend the Constitution. The fact that they won't shows they don't have that intention, but they alone get to decide the degree of inclusion, and that too should also be this court's conclusion. And of the 5 petitioners, the feminist trend, one's a judge, 3 in government, 1 with a pen. Now they want the Senate? Justices, where does it end? They're just nasty women with too much free time to spend. To decide in their favor would be a mistake. And what of their lawyer? Ha, give me a break. Younger brother to the head of the snake. A real man? No, he's a traitor, beta fake. Ontario Supreme Court judge? No, he's a Toronto man with bare shorties and a bad legal plan. Oh no, holy, he's looking cheesed, fam. He's gonna lose this case like a true Maple Leafs fan.
Thank you, Mr. Jackson. Submissions from the petitioners delivered by the Honorable Mr. William Ferguson.
Thank you, Mr. Chief Justice. The government's case is steeped in fear, and politically speaking, it's insincere. Prime Minister King himself made it crystal clear, promised Emily a Senate seat within the year. On the law, Section 24 specifically says persons, not men. It's inclusive conclusively. But if the he is of concern in Section 23, we're guided by the Interpretation Act of 1850. Says that reading the term he also means she, unless otherwise stated explicitly. The plain meaning of persons is not a mystery. Persons includes women, and this court should agree.
And years you've been on this case a little obsessive, and your legal argument? Not even impressive. Erdely, you sensitive? Nah, just regressive, oppressive. Typical white man from Alberta hates anything progressive. A hoser from Dedmont, scared of politics, going woke, balling up on a judge from the 6. That's a bold stroke for a colonial cowboy redneck joke. I know this waste you doesn't want this big smoke.
Thank you, counsel, for your diligent argumentation. The court will reserve its judgment and send its decision forthwith. Oh, and we will wish a very happy birthday to petitioner Mrs. Emily Murphy.